Hi all, I'm going to show you how to access your stories in the Norton Reader. I know a few of you have been having some trouble figuring out exactly where to go in and click in, and I thought I'd just do this screencast real quick to show you. So first thing we can do is access our Norton Reader, and we can do that a couple different ways. We can go into our week folder and click on the literature link, or we can access from the Norton Anthology project icon. On each of these pages, you will see the Norton registration link. Just click that. It will open a new window for you. Click ebook. Now, this table of contents is not very helpful, right? So the best way, I think, to get into the reading and figure out where your story is for that week is click any of these links just to get inside the book. Now, once we're inside the book, we can go up here to the top in the left where the menu icon is. Click that. And now you can see a table of contents that's a little bit more detailed. We can click the little arrows beside the different chapters and sections. But there's an even easier way. We know each week what story we're focusing on, and that story is going to be included in our narrative technique focus as well. This last week for Humanities 200, we were focusing on the short story, Where Are You Going, Where Have You Been? By Joyce Carol Oates. So I'm just going to go ahead and start typing, and you can see I already typed this before. I'm going to click that, do a search, and voila, there's your title. So I'm going to click that, and it puts me right into the story. And then, of course, I can use my arrow buttons on my computer to go backward and forward. And I can also go back to my table of contents and take a look at the different sections. For instance, right now we're in part 1, fiction. This last week we were focusing on plot, and you can see here that chapter 2 plot has some really good information for the group that was presenting for Where Are You Going, Where Have You Been, and plot. So that's good reading to put that presentation together. And that's generally a good way to figure out where your story is and to enter into your Norton ebook. Of course, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to go over that with you one-on-one.